चलो आओ नजारा
लिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन सुम्मा salatu wassalam ala nabiyyina summa salatu wassalam ala nabiyyina nabiyyi Muhammadin sallallahu alaihi wasallam summa salatu wassalam ala nabiyyina nabiyyi.
We are here at Jalsa Salana, UK 2022. I'm here with a lot of the guys from Ghana, and we are all here to support, especially with the kitchen duties as well. We came to mount all the flags for the Jalsa, as well as taking part with the kitchen. We are also sending food dispatched to other places. We are enjoying it very much because even though we are at the kitchen, we have a feel, or we get a feel of everything that's going on.
jalse ka